Hi, this is Husky Hockey 54 here. I'm just going to show you how to take apart a Piranha R6. Alright, first what I'm going to do, I am going to take out the bolt, push this back, push the button through, like so. Hear that click? Slowly take out the bolt. Alright, put that over here. Alright, this is your bolt, basically. Really not much to it, just the spring here, the ram, the bolt right here, and this is the cocking. I guess you pull that back, it cocks it, but that's basically it. 2 O-rings here, 2 O-rings right here. Need to lube it up a little bit. Just replace those. That's basically it for the bolt. This is where you would change velocity a little bit, I guess. Tighten up the string tension. Alright. Just gonna slide that right back in. Remember, push the button back right here behind the on the other side of the grip frame. Slide it right back in there. Replace the button, and there's maintaining your bolt. Alright. Now I guess for the next part of my video, I'm gonna take off the trigger frame. That's basically it. Other than that, for the Piranha, other than that, the detents, I guess I'll do that. But here, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the trigger frame real quick. Alright, flip that over for you. Get my tools out. Alright, just give me a sec. Alright, here we go, just unscrew. Here we go. Unscrew that. A little sticky from it's pretty old, so haven't really taken apart in a while, so the screws are a little tight. Alright. Alright, put these. I know I need to attach the hose, but don't really have time for that now. So basically, that's your Piranha. It's inside your grip frame right there. The trigger right here. Not really much to it. Just that's the mechanism. It's when you pull this back, pulls this down. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. That's so you don't ruin your internals, your bolt basically. There's really nothing inside the grip frame, just empty space. On this side, it's just like a little spring to keep this forward and back, but I lost that when I was taking it apart the first time. So as you can see in there, that's how it gets to it. That's basically it. Put that back together real quick for you guys. give it a little nice squeeze, nice tight. Alright. I know it's taking a while, sorry guys, but I'll get it. I'll get there. Alright, that's done. Now I'll just show you how to replace the detents for this real quick. Let's get the Allen key. Be this one. Nope, where'd it go? Alright, this should be it. No, what the hell? Alright, I guess I lost the Allen key for the for the detents. Sorry guys, couldn't show you that, but yep, that's basically it. I mean, here, I'll take apart the low pressure egg real quick for you guys, show you what's in there. Alright. Be careful because there is a spring. And you see the O-ring right there. And there's your low pressure regulator. I mean, not much to it again. Just this hammer and the spring. That's basically it. Not much to it. Put that back in there. Push that in. Screw that down. Alright, that's it. I mean, this was my first gun. I mean, it was an awesome gun while I was using it. Really not much to it at all. I don't know, just that's basically it. I mean, so I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.